Hello everyone, and thank you for signing up to watch our video guide on streamlining your project workflow with E+I Engineering's BIM content for Busbar. Before we begin today, I would first like to introduce our hosts. We have myself, Helen Canny, Business Development Manager at E+I Engineering, and Malika, who is our Assistant BIM Engineer on the team. I'll be starting off with a quick run through of our agenda for this video and a short introduction to E+I Engineering's BIM content before passing you over to my co-host Malika, who will take you through a step-by-step video guide on how to access, import and manipulate E+I Engineering's BIM data to suit your Busbar project specification. First, let's take a quick run through what you will learn over the course of this video guide. 1. An introduction to E+I Engineering's BIM library for the Powerbar range and how our BIM data and management processes provide added value to client projects. 2. The key benefits of using manufacturer-specific BIM objects within your project model and how this impacts efficiency throughout the entire project lifecycle. 3. How to gain access to and navigate E+I Engineering's BIM portal with step-by-step instructions on how to locate and download product-specific BIM data relevant to your project. And 4. How to manipulate E+I Engineering's BIM objects to meet the requirements of your project and discover the key integrated features that make our BIM objects simple and efficient to adapt and use. One of our core objectives of our BIM initiative was to provide design engineers and fabricators with the BIM formats that they need. We wanted to ensure we could support multiple CAD and BIM formats, languages, units and standards for all of our markets while complying with growing mandates from governments and clients. A database approach keeps our data and product information current. And since we began our BIM journey in 2016, we have enhanced project communication and collaboration among design teams. We have also been recently awarded the BSI Kite Mark for BIM objects, which has helped us validate the digital versions of our products by ensuring an accurate representation of the physical object. BIM is here to stay, and E+I Engineering are committed to helping our clients in achieving efficiency in design and construction. I'm now going to pass you over to Malika to discuss E+I Engineering's BIM offering in more detail.
Hi everyone! Before we dive into how to use E+I Engineering BIM content for Busbar, I'm going to touch on why our BIM content is beneficial. First and foremost, Busbar is one of the most costly products fitted in a construction project. By using our intelligent BIM content in place of generic ducting models at an early stage of the design process, you can accurately plan your Busbar route before elements such as plumbing are planned in. This reduces the number of bespoke busbar configurations required to fit the space, in turn saving money. The accuracy of our models, as verified by our BSI Kite Mark, ensures that an as-built busbar model is created at the beginning of the project, which eliminates the need for costly design rework, improving project coordination and saving time. The benefits of having a digital twin of your busbar system improves project efficiency beyond the design stage, as model data can be used to assist with future maintenance and upgrade requirements. To gain access to our BIM library, you must first register through our online portal. Registration is quite straightforward, but please do bear in mind that it does involve an approval process before access is granted. We aim to get through this as quickly as possible, but on particularly busy occasions, this can take up to 48 hours. Once you have registered and had your account validated by our team, you will have unrestricted access to browse and download content from our BIM library. I'm now going to take you through a step-by-step navigation guide to demonstrate how you can easily locate and select the models you require for your BIM project. First, open your browser at our BIM content page, which you can access via e-i-eng.com/bimcontent. You'll notice a banner at the top of the page with a login button. This will take you to a simple login form where you'll enter details used to register. Once logged in, you will be presented with our main catalog page. As you can see, this is segmented by each of our Powerbar products. For the purpose of this demonstration, we're going to navigate the High Powerbar catalog. Again, within the High Powerbar catalog, models are further segmented by the various product standards. The Powerbar range will differ for each regional standard, so you'll want to make sure you're working with the model that are relevant to your project requirements. Next, you'll choose the conductor type and so on, depending on your design needs, until you are presented with a list of individual Powerbar BIM models, each named according to our coding system. In this case, all models are IEC standard. PA stands for painted aluminum conductors and FL stands for feeder length. So straight away you can tell if you have mistakenly chosen the wrong category somewhere along the way. The last two parts of the code are what identify the exact part you require. The number represents the amperage and the combination of letters is what identify the phase configuration. So whether the model is 3-phase neutral, earth, double neutral, etc. The sidebar can be used to filter models by construction type, configuration, ratings, and height, making navigation much more efficient. When you have selected your item, simply choose Add to CAD cart and continue with this step for each of the models you wish to download. I'm just going to go through and select various models to download, and again, you can make use of the sidebar if you're having trouble locating the model you need. Once all items have been added to your cart, click the CAD button, then request CAD files. Here, you can view and remove any models that are not needed. Next, in the CAD file options section, you will select your file format, which in this case will be Revit, and the unit is millimeters. Enter your email address and select Request CAD files. The drawing will be sent via email. Click on the link and unzoom the file into your preferred location. Now that you're familiar with the layout of our BIM library and how to efficiently locate and download specific models, we will move on to inserting your downloaded Revit families into a project. First, you will open a new project in Revit and navigate to Insert tab. Choose Load Family and locate the folder you choose to save your CAD downloads to earlier. Multi-select the models you require and click Open. From here, you will be presented with the Specify Type window. On the left shows the RFA families. On the right, the individual types for each family is shown. Click the top family on the left, then select what type you need. They are organized in order of rating. Model types can be filtered by range code, rating, or conductor size. Select what type of family you require for each family. The first row type allows us to choose the rating we require. For instance, I have chosen 800 amps. This filtering system has been built in to speed up the model creation accuracy. Click OK once all required types are selected. Go to System tab and click Cable Tray Fittings. Your .rfa families have now been successfully inserted into your Revit project. Aside from the top-level benefits of integrating E+I Engineering's BIM content into your project design, there are a number of useful built-in features that will make working with our models quick and easy. These include the phasing configuration, built-in leg size restriction, direction of travel, and rotation tools, which I will demonstrate for you in our next video. To access the imported families, click on the System tab and select Cable Tray Fittings, which is represented by a small icon as shown in the video. At present, Revit does not have a Busbar category, so our BIM models are categorized as cable tray fittings. You will see that all the loaded families can now be accessed from the Properties window on the left-hand side of the screen. From this window, you can easily select the relevant part you wish to insert to the model. You will notice that the level of detail of this part is quite coarse, denoted by the dotted lines. The visual style can easily be altered as shown towards the bottom left of the screen, with options for coarse, medium, and fine. The visual style can also change from wireframe to shaded to provide a more realistic image of the Busbar model. I'm now going to move on to show the built-in features that makes our model easy to adapt to fit your design requirements. First, we have the rotation tool, which can be used to rotate our families to achieve the correct phasing directions. This inbuilt feature allows users to save time and improve the accuracy of direction of travel. Secondly, in the Property panel, you can change the phasing configuration of the model. So even if you have downloaded a family where the phasing doesn't suit your needs, you are able to alter this in this section. Another useful tool is our built-in leg size restriction. From the Properties panel, you can alter part dimensions by selecting Use Custom A, B, or C length, and then inputting the desired size. However, to ensure our models reflect manufacturing capabilities, allowable maximum and minimum leg sizes have been built into each part. If the desired length exceeds maximum or minimum requirement, a warning sign will appear to notify the user that there is an error in the selected length, and the part will remain as standard size. Revit also has an Align tool, which can be accessed from the Modify menu. This allows nodes to be aligned together, which help to speed up model creation, and once the parts have been aligned using this tool, they can be easily repositioned as one continuous section. Another feature unique to E+I Engineering's Busbar models is the Direction of Travel tool, which enables us to join the busbars together, ensuring the direction remains constant throughout, reducing the need to make time-consuming changes further into the project. Revit also has a 3D view section to enable us to view the model in 3D, as it helps get a more realistic form. Select the View section and choose 3D View and click on the default 3D. In this view, we are able to move the model with the mouse wheel or at the top left corner, the navigation box, to view the model from different sides, top, bottom, left, and etc. I have just loaded in my join packs, which are used to connect each section of Busbar. Again here, I have used the Align tool to insert the join pack between the busbar sections by aligning the x-axis and the y-axis of both elements. Finally, by navigating to the Modify section, the Copy tool can be used to duplicate an element or series of elements at once, which can save a lot of time when inserting duplicate parts. First, select the part you want to copy and click on the Copy tool. The copy has options such as constraint, which prevents the part moving sideways and will keep it straight, and multiple, which allows you to paste many copies at once. You can see how easy it is to duplicate the join packs and then use the Align tool to accurately place them between busbar sections to form a digital twin of your planned busbar route. From watching this video, you should now have a better understanding of E+I Engineering's unique BIM content offering, including the benefits of using manufacturer-specific Revit models in your project, how to access and navigate E+I Engineering BIM portal, and finally, an overview of the key model features that make our BIM objects simple and efficient to use. If you think E+I Engineering's BIM content library would be beneficial for a current or upcoming project, you can begin your registration process today by visiting www.e-i-eng.com/BIMcontent and completing the registration form. We would like to thank you all for watching and welcome you to get in touch with any BIM-related queries.